Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Bet365 Poker app on Windows PC. In this case I'm using Windows 11 on a HP laptop, but it should be the same on any Windows device. You want to type in Bet365 and go to the first official organic link. Sometimes there's sponsored posts, those are advertisements maybe run by companies that are not even Bet365. Sometimes there's scams as well. So you want to go to www.bet365.com. That's the official website. I will put the link where you can download the poker software in the description as well. So you want to go to this link right here. And this takes you to the Bet365 website. Wait for it to load quickly, and then from there scroll over in the top left corner to the poker section. Let that load, and then what you can do is download the poker software right here. Press download. That's going to activate the download in the top right section of Google Chrome in your recent download history, and it's basically going to download the installer, the setuppoker.exe. Give that a little second to fully download. And then from there, you want to press this button, Show in Folder. Press that, and it's going to show where you've downloaded this file in your folders. Double click the app. And from there, it says, Welcome to the poker at Bet365. You want to read the agreement, and then after you've done that, I've already done that, but make sure you accept and install from there. And just give it time to actually download all the files from Bet365, let it install on your device, and I'm going to come back in a little second because this is quite a big file size. Thanks. So from there it says the installation has completed. From there you want to press Start Poker. It's going to create a desktop shortcut as well for you. So everyone, this is the Bet365 Poker app. It's fully downloaded on this Windows device. What you want to do from there is basically go to either register now if you've not got an account on Bet365, or you can either log in, press this button, and it's going to give you the option to type in your username and password and start playing on the poker tables Bet365. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.